Guys, hope you are doing good. This is Sananda here, and today we will learn how to do water propagation. Though it is monsoon and this is the best time to do water propagation, and for the water propagation you would need something like some bottles like this, like any glass jar, plastic jar, anything. I mean, if you want to see through your roots growing, then that would be excitement for you guys also. And a cutter, clean and disinfected. You can sanitize it or you can use rubbing alcohol, and then you can take few cuttings, and then within a month your propagation will be done and your plants will be ready for rooting. Now if you see this one, I have kept it like it's not focusing. So this money plant I have kept last week, and you can see the roots are growing. If you can see here, the roots are already started here. And today we will do from I will take this Philo Brazil, and you can see here my sweet potato is growing. And today I'll show you how exactly we can, the rooted slips, how we can plant them. So let's start. So guys, this is the Philo Brazil which I was talking. See, if you can see, the growth is like kind of, the leaves are getting smaller. So I thought to take a new plant. So you have to cut, just you can see this is the node. You have to just cut below the node, and from this we can get 3 to 4 cuttings. So just cut it sharp. See, from here within few days you will see a new growth coming from this nodes. So now this one, what we will do, we will take 2 to 3 cutting in this. If you see, I'm just cutting one here, then one more here, this 2, and there is one more. I'm just going. So guys, this is my Burlap Max, and this is growing. The leaves are growing very small, so I just did the root cutting. So I'll just plant it like this. If you see, the small roots are growing. You can see here there is a root, so we'll just put it in water. And so guys, see, today we got this Burlap Max, we got Brazil, and now we will see how exactly we have to put them in water. So now I have this ball. What I am going to do, this is a clean water. Now what I am doing, I'll just put it here. See, you should see the roots should emerge in water. Now the roots, this one I'm gonna transplant to a different bottle where this can grow properly. This and this I'm gonna transfer to this bottle, so that this will grow roots there. And Brazil, though, because I needed extra support, I'm just putting it like this. I'll put more water in this. I have to cut this leaf because the plant needs to do rooting rather than creating the leaves. The roots, please ensure that the nodes basically where the roots will form, that has to be within the water. See, if you'll see, I'll put more water in this, and let me show you how beautifully this has grown. See this, how beautifully the roots are formed. So this we will transplant now. I'll show you. This is a sweet potato vine which I just took it from the mother plant, which is right there. If you see, I've just kept it in the bowl, and it is still growing. Once I take this one to plant, I'll take out that and I will start doing the uprooting thing. So guys, now we will do, you can see how beautifully the root has come for the sweet potato slip. We will see how exactly we have to plant this. Okay, and the soil must be a well draining soil, because sweet potatoes are tubers. They will be growing underground. Just poke a hole, put them inside, just the roots, and ensure to just make sure not to press too hard but not to leave it too loose, and water the plant right after the transplant so that the plant will start growing roots. Though it did rain here, so that's the reason I'm not gonna water it now. And I can show you there is one more cutting which I just got it. This is this marble queen. This I am not very sure of this money plant. I think this is the white marble queen. This looks so pretty. This was in my hanging basket and is just grown leggy, so I just thought of getting a new plant out of the cutting. So this, and you have to ensure that when doing the water propagation, first thing you need to change your water like within 2 to 3 days, or if you're too lazy you can do it within a week, and ensure to clean the glass jar or the jar where you have kept the the cutting. Just clean it nicely and then again put it back, and clean the roots. If the roots has grown, clean it to avoid any fungal infection, and then you can start. It will be ready within a month. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you next time. Good day. Bye bye.